All right, here's a review of Star Ink premium ink cartridges. It comes with 10 black ink cartridges and 5 color cartridges. I bought this box in January 2026, and we print for our business 20 to 30 full color pages every day for our orders. And the ink is held up fantastic. In fact, it is now May of 2026, and I'm gonna be refilling my color ink for the very first time. I already have the black ink installed. So let's put in the color ink. So it comes just like any other ink cartridge you would normally get. The 4 different colors. Got to pull off this little breathing area. Slide it in. Light will come on. Close it up and it will reset itself. So while this is resetting, I'll answer a couple of questions that I've seen. And the first one is, does it feel cheap or does it hold up? I think this ink holds up fantastic. We've had no problems. It lasts very long. This is the second ink cartridge that we've refilled since January. This is the 3rd black ink because we print a lot of black ink along with the color. This is a Canon printer that we're utilizing, the IP110. And the ink cartridges have worked fantastic with it. I think it works just as well as original manufacturer ink cartridges, seeing no degradation in the quality. And in fact, now that that's done, I'll print out a test print. So this is printing out a full color image using plain printer paper, nothing special. And the inks, both the black ink and the colored ink, if you were to use true photo paper and fine tune the settings for actually printing an image, like a photo, then these would turn out even fantastic. Even utilizing these very basic core settings on my printer and my computer, which are just designed for very quick printing, very quick basic documents, I think the image turned out really nice on plain paper. Now remember, we're reviewing the quality of the ink and not the speed of the printer. That is something completely separate than what this review is about. The speed of this print has nothing to do with the ink cartridges. So there's your print, again on regular paper, no photo paper, basic settings, not fine-tuned towards it. Colors turn out really nice, again on printer paper. If you were looking to be making your own prints at home, I think you would probably utilize a little bit higher quality printer than what this printer is itself. That's not the core function of this particular printer. In my opinion, these inks work exactly like the original manufacturer's ink. I haven't seen any quality degradation. And for the price that I'm paying per cartridge, all day long, I will be buying this ink while it works for me.